In every kitchen I've ever led, when something matters, when the next move is important, when the team is about to step into something bigger, the chef gives a command. And today I'm not speaking to students, I'm speaking to cooks, to future chefs, to leaders, to creators, and future owners. So here's my command to you. Go out there and conquer your craft. Conquer your fear. Conquer the world with your passion, your discipline, and your heart. And if you accept this responsibility and you're ready to step boldly into your future, then give me the only word a chef ever needs to hear from their team. Can I get a heard?
As the college director, and with the authority vested in me by the Department of Education, the Texas Higher Education and Coordinating Board, and the Texas Workforce Commission, I hereby certify that you have met the requirements as stipulated by the Culinary Institute Lenotre and approved to receive the associate's degree in Applied Science and diplomas in Culinary Arts and Baking and Pastry Arts and Hospitality and Restaurant Management. For the HRM candidates, please move your tassel from the right to the left side. Graduates, face your family